This tutorial will show you how to import your master course into your live shell in Canvas. Here we are in our newly created live shell that populated on our dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and add existing content or click Settings in the bottom left corner and navigate to the Settings tool. Once I'm in the Settings tool, I'm going to go over to the right-hand side and click Import Course Content. This is going to bring me to the Import Content tool, and I'm going to select Copy a Canvas Course from the dropdown. I'm going to search for my course that I want to copy, the master course that I want to copy from. I'm going to select all content to be moved over. I can edit the date range.
For example, if the previous term's date started on August 27th, I could change the upcoming term start date to January 7th.
And then I'm going to click Import. The job will run, and your master course content will transfer into your live shell.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please contact us at canvas@apu.edu if you need any help.